no see. I hope everyone is enjoying the rest of their spring break. I hope you're feeling very rested and peaceful and maybe a little sleepy on this soggy Saturday. But I hope you guys come back on Monday feeling happy and alive and ready to do great work, much like this potato sunshine happy man or lady. I've been missing you guys. I hope you had a great time either at home or on your adventures, and I cannot wait for you guys to come back on Monday so we can get back into Module 5. It's kind of funny, so we're in grade 5, we're in Module 5, and we're going to be on Lesson 5 on Monday. I think that's a very lucky set of numbers there. Our objective for Monday is to use multiplication to connect volume as packing with volume as filling. So we've done lots of work so far in Module 5 around volume. So far, we understand, and we've been working on, volume is pretty simple as it turns out. We had this three-dimensional rectangular prism, and we wanted to find its volume. Well, we can do it in a couple ways. We can, sorry, that's a little off. We can take our centimeter cube friends that we've been working on, those colorful guys, and we can pack them, fill up this rectangular prism. Just line up the base floor and then pack and pack and pack and pack until our prism is completely full. Once our prism is completely full, we can just count the amount of cubes that it took to fill up this prism, and then we have the volume. As our figures get larger and larger, that could take a while. So another thing that we can do is we can take the dimensions. For instance, this is not proportional, but for instance, if our dimensions were 4 by 3 by 2, in order to find the volume, and this is of course review, I know it's been a while since we worked on volume, so I just wanted to do a quick review so you guys can remember where we're coming from here. If we wanted to find the volume of this prism, like I said, we could pack it with centimeter cubes. Or, so it's important that I put in my units, Mrs. Calamars. And then this is a centimeter cube. So that's one way we could have packed our, if you have some time on your hands, pack your prism with centimeter cubes, or if we had the dimensions, we could of course use our cubes to find the dimensions. All we need to do in order to find the volume is multiply 3, I think I'm going to go off the page here, 3 by 4 by 2. 3 by 4 by 2. I'm not sure what that means there. Sorry, my pen got stuck. 3, and we can do this in our head. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. So the volume we are looking for the relationship between cubic centimeters and milliliters. This is a beaker that we are going to be filling with water. So I want you to think, is there a relationship between milliliters and cubic centimeters? And again, in Lesson 5, what we're going to be working on in small group, we're going to be doing a bit of a lab, is finding volume the packing way, meaning we can pack this prism with centimeter cubes. We can also find volume by pouring liquids into beakers. And we are going to be exploring the relationship between centimeter cubes and milliliters. I do want you guys to continue using our equation for volume. If we were to look for the volume of this prism, all we would have to do is multiply 10 by 13 by 8. 10 by 13 by 8 would give us our volume. We can do a lot of this in our head. We know that 1 times 13 is equal to 13, but that's not a 1, it's a 10. So 10 times 13 is actually 130. Now we need to look at 130 by 8. We're looking for the volume of this prism. We can do 130 times 8 very quickly over here. We are masters at this multiplication by now. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 3 is 24. Carry the 2. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So the volume of this prism is 1,040 centimeters cubed, or cubic centimeters. It would take 1,040 of our tiny centimeter cubes that we use in class to fill this prism. I also want you to think about, and again, we are going to explore this in class on Monday, what does that mean for liquid volume? You guys do have a homework assignment. I need you, this is your homework assignment, it is going to involve writing. There is no secret word in this video, but you do have a homework assignment. Are you ready for it? I want you to make, and I don't want you to do any research, I just want you to think about this. Make a prediction. This needs to be in writing and turned in on Monday. Make a prediction about, make a prediction about the relationship between cubic centimeters, and milliliters. Again, don't do any research. Just think about where you are right now in your understanding. And wherever you are is great. I need you to write this out, make a prediction about the relationship between cubic centimeters and milliliters. This needs to be brought into class on Monday. This is your secret word. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. I hope you know how excited I am to see all of you on Monday. And I can't wait for a great week. We'll see you then.